Wayanadan Chicken Curry. Ingredients: chicken, coconut milk, tomato, large onion, ginger, garlic, green chili, red chili, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, mustard, garam masala, salt, coconut oil, curry leaves, meat masala. Method of preparation: take a pan and place the chicken pieces. To this, add salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, meat masala, pieces of garlic, chopped ginger, green chili, pieces of tomato, and onion. Mix the ingredients well. Keep it like that for 5 minutes. You may now heat the pan and add some water to the well-mixed ingredients. Stir gently and then cover the pan and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the cover and stir gently. Next, add coconut milk and cook for some more time. Turn down the fire. Take a pan and heat some coconut oil. Into this, add some mustard, red chilies, and add curry leaves. Stir a bit and then add this to the cooked chicken. Now, place the chicken preparation back on fire and stir gently. This chicken curry, a specialty of Wayanad, is now ready for serving.